Hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanen from English with Village Vlog. Guys, in order to become fluent English, we have to practice every day. We have to speak every day in English. So because we are alone, so we don't have environment to talk to anyone. So of course, we have another way to practice in English. If you know little bit English grammar and if you know some words, so just try to speak, because when you speak then you become fluent English. Otherwise it's really very difficult, guys. This is not our language. In order to do practice, I have one amazing story. Now I am going to create this story. You have to listen how I am speaking and how I practice in English, so that you can also do the same after watching this video. So guys, let us start. So long time ago there was a kingdom. It was the kingdom of Akbar. He had one wisest courtyard named Birbal. Birbal was known as a greatest person because he solved each and every problem of that kingdom. So he was the favorite courtyard of Akbar. So it was winter season and it was freezing cold. So the king of that kingdom, means Akbar, called so many his kingdom people, and he told them, guys, one who passes a winter night in this pound will be awarded with lots of treasure. There were so many people, none of them uh, got agree except one poor washerman. He decided to spend one night in the pound. He didn't even think about his life because he was totally poor. He didn't have food to eat. So he decided and he said to king that, my lord, I am ready to spend one winter night in your pound. Akbar got happy and he said, okay, just come tonight and stand in that pound. That washerman came in the evening. The water was totally freezing and it was too much cold. So that washerman came and he stood in that pound and he spent that cold freezing night. In the morning he came to Akbar and he said, my lord, I have spent that night. Now I must be awarded now. Akbar got happy that, yes, yeah, you have done it. It was totally a winter, it was totally freezing night, but however, you have done it. Of course, you should be awarded. But before I give you something, I want to ask one question. Uh, Washerman said, yes, please. So Akbar said, how did you spend your night in that winter season? Because it was totally difficult. So tell me something which made you spend this night. That washerman said, actually, I spent that night uh, seeing the lamp of your palace. I could see lamp was burning uh, in your palace. So seeing that, I spent that night. Akbar said, oh my god, it means you took warmth from that lamp. That is why you spent. It means you cheated. You have cheated. You have done cheating. So I am not going to award you. Just bugger off from here. That poor washerman couldn't say anything because he was just a person of that kingdom. So he went back from there. But he was too sad. Then he decided to go to Birbal because Birbal was greatest person. He uh, solved each and every situation. Then that poor washerman went to Birbal and he narrated all the story. Then Birbal said, okay, don't worry, I will definitely uh, give you justice. Then it had been like 2 days. Uh, so then Birbal stopped going to palace. Then Akbar got totally like shocked. Why Birbal is not coming these days? What happened? Then he sent some his Sainik to call Birbal. So when they went there and they saw Birbal cook, cooking khichdi, but this time Birbal was cooking khichdi in bizarre way, like pot was high and and the flame was down. So Sainik said, what are you doing here? King has called you, just come with me. Then Birbal said, okay, I will come after cooking this khichdi. Then those soldiers said, okay, come definitely. Then Birbal said, yes, you go, I will come. Then soldier returned to palace. By this way, like Akbar sent so many times his soldiers to call Birbal, but all the time Birbal said, I am cooking khichdi. After cooking khichdi, I will come. Then Akbar decided to go by himself. So Akbar came and he saw Birbal standing near that pot and flame. So he asked Birbal, "Hey, what are you doing?" He said, "My lord, I'm just cooking khichdi." He said, "Have you gone mad? Uh, being being an being an wisest, being an scholar person, you are cooking khichdi like this, like flame is down and your pot is high. How can you cook khichdi?" Then Birbal said, "Yes, my lord, I'm sorry, because if that washerman can uh, take some warmth from the lamp which was so far from that pound, so why I can't cook khichdi, because this is not so far." Then Akbar understood everything. He said, "Oh my God, yes, I have made mistake." Then that washerman was called and he was rewarded, and that is how like Birbal uh, gave him justice. And that poor washerman, he folded his hand and he said, "Thank you so much." Then Birbal said, "Yeah, it's okay. It was your right. It you deserve you you deserve for this." Then uh, everything like got normal, and that is how like Birbal used to solve everyone's problem. So guys, I have narrated one story. So in order to become fluent English, in order to sharp your tongue and mind, you have to speak. Don't think about your mistake, that okay, whenever I try to speak I make mistake, I get stuck. No, it could be small story. If you want, you can make 5 line story, but you have to speak, because you don't have environment. You just think all the time, how can I become fluent, how this video, that video. Stop doing so, just start speaking. Whatever you have, just start with that. So guys, also I run some classes. If you want, you can join my class. So guys, thank you so much. Bye.